Hi guys, this is Nas Akkerman here, and in this video I'm gonna show you very easy exercises for your carbs, for all your body workout to kinda lose weight. As you can see, I just finished my exercises. It's just 10 minutes, but trust me, that's enough. I don't know, maybe my exercises was so hard, or maybe it's because 37 degrees outside, I don't know. Let's check it out. Take a comfortable standing position on the floor or on the yoga mat. Make a deep inhale, raise your hands up, and slowly exhale. Inhale, hands up, and down. Make some small push-ups. Try touch the floor by your palms. Nice and easy, keep your legs straight. Try keep your back straight, and put both of your palms on the floor. Move your body side to side, nice and easy, very slowly. If you can't reach the floor, put both of your palms on your knees. Then slowly move your body forward, make a step back, go to the down facing dog. If you can't keep your legs straight, make an angle on your knees. Be in this pose just around 15 seconds. Your hands are straight, your back is straight, and your legs also straight. Continue breathing. And nice and easy, move your body to the plank pose and back to the down facing dog. Again, plank pose, down facing dog. Plank pose, down facing dog. Plank pose, down facing dog. Slowly, plank pose, down facing dog. Again, plank pose and the down facing dog. Plank pose, down facing dog. Plank pose, and hold yourself a little bit. Lie down. Again plank pose, again lie down. Again plank pose, again lie down. Plank pose, lie down on the floor. Back to the plank pose. Lie down, plank pose, and hold yourself. Keep your legs straight. Breathe in. You can feel all your muscles on your abs. Put your knees on the floor, your chest on the floor, your chin on the floor. This is 8-angle pose. Your toes, knees, chest, chin, and palms on the floor. And move your body to the cobra pose. Look up, hold yourself, make some angle on your back. Breathe in. Very nice. Slowly lie down and back to the 8-angle pose. Keep your hips up, your knees, toes, chest, chin, and palms on the floor. Continue breathing and slowly try to move your body to the high cobra pose. When your hands are straight, when you look up. Nice and easy. Then try to make some small push-ups. Up and down, up and down. Nice and easy, down and slowly up. Down and up. You don't have to keep up with me, just do your best. You don't have to feel any pain or pressure. Slowly lie down and move your body to the plank pose. Hold yourself a little bit and let's make a run in the climber pose. Faster, 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 faster. Your knees close to your elbows. As much as you can. Don't forget to breathe. We're still running. Very nice. And slowly hold yourself in the plank pose. Breathe in, lie down, and back to the plank pose. Lie down, and back to the plank pose. Again, lie down, plank pose. Lie down, and let's relax in the Sphinx pose. Your palms, elbows on the floor. You have some angle on your back. Look straight. Continue breathing. In this video, we do everything faster because we are working on our core and abs. Slowly lie down and back to the plank pose. Move your elbows on the floor, your toes on the floor, keep your back straight, and let's make a step outside in the plank pose by your feet. Left side, right side, left side, right side, left side, right side. Nice and easy, keep moving, don't stop. Very nice. Left side, right side, left side, right side, left side, right side. Keep your back straight, your legs straight. Hold yourself in the plank pose, do some push-up movements, and slowly lie down. And then let's relax in the child pose. Move your hips and your feet. Put your forehead on the floor, close to your knees. Move your hands forward as much as you can. Continue breathing and relax. Be in this pose around 20 seconds. Don't forget to breathe. Then slowly lift up your body and move your body to the easy long yoga pose. Move your right knee bend forward. Put your knee close to your chest, look up, keep your hands straight, your left knee on the floor. Continue breathing. Then slowly put both of your hands close to each other. Make a little bit distance between them. And let's do the kind of push-ups as much as you can. Just 10 times. Up and down, up and down, up and down. If you can't do push-ups like that, put both of your hands on your right knee and do push-ups from your right knee. Then slowly back to the long pose. Go to the plank pose. Move your body to the down facing dog. Hold yourself in the down facing dog. And move your left knee bend forward. Let's do the long pose on your left leg. Your right knee on the floor, look up, keep your hands straight, and continue breathing. Then again, move both of your hands on one side and do the push-ups. Up and down, nice and easy. Slowly down and up, as much as you can. Choose your comfortable way. And remember, you don't have to keep up with me, just do your best. Then move your body to the long pose. Then move your body to the plank pose. Back to the down facing dog. You can do some small push-ups. Hold yourself. Again plank pose. Again down facing dog. Slowly plank pose. Slowly down facing dog. Plank pose. And down facing dog. Plank pose. Down facing dog. Nice and easy plank pose. Hold yourself. Continue breathing. And lie down in the cobra pose. Look up. Hold yourself. Don't forget to breathe. Try don't touch the floor by your chest. Very nice. Slowly lie down. Lift up your body. Again, lie down in the child pose. Try to relax. Then slowly move your body on the back. Hold your knees. Try put your forehead close to your knees. Hug your knees. And hold yourself in the gust release pose. This is very good exercise for your digestive system. Don't forget to breathe. And then slowly, nice and easy, make your right leg straight. Make a locker behind of your head by your hands. Let's do the bicycle exercises. And let's move your right elbow to the left knee. Left elbow to the right knee. And let's get it started, nice and easy. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Very nice, amazing exercise for your core. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Just 30 times. Keep moving, don't stop. You're doing very nice, I'm sure about it. Very good. And then hold yourself. Keep angle on your knees. Keep your hands straight, your shoulders up. Continue breathing. It's very nice. If you keep doing this every day or just 3 times per week, you will see what's happened. Continue breathing. Put both of your feet on the floor. Slowly make a kind of butterfly pose. As much as you can. And now we will do sit-ups. Just 20 times. Make a locker behind of your head. Slowly up and down, up and down. Very nice and easy. Don't forget to breathe. Down, up, down, up, down, up. You can feel all your muscles on your abs. Good, very good. Then make your hands straight and repeat the exercise. Keep moving nice and easy. Up and down, up and down, up. And then again, hug your knees. Hold yourself in the gust release pose, your forehead close to your knees, your shoulders up. Don't forget to breathe. We're almost finished. Put your head on the floor. Try to relax. Breathe in. You can feel small tension in your abs, in all your muscles. And then you can lie down in Shavasana pose, or just lift up your body and start the day. I hope you like it. I don't have mic, that's why I talk to my phone. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. Say me something in the comments. I will be happy to hear something from you. Thanks for watching this video. That was Nas Akkerman, and see you soon. Bye.